ABB Ability Energy Manager Events tab allows you to create new alert conditions. You can be notified whenever an event happens, such as a value above a threshold or a change in status. Under this tab, we have all events and alert conditions. When you click on All Events, you'll find on the left the total number of active events, which can be related to asset or connectivity events, custom alerts, or health warnings. On the right, a graph shows the number of events that occur in a year. For more details of an event, here you'll find the date and time, category, related asset name, and alert condition. The event list is shared between all the users of the platform, but if you are the creator of an alert, from the menu you will have the possibility to edit the related alert conditions. If you click on the alert condition, you'll see a list of alert conditions already defined. Here on the top right, you can create a new alert condition. After you choose an asset, you can click on Type and scroll down to see all types of alerts easily. Here, alerts can change in accordance with the asset and data supported from it. Then you can define a name and severity level for your alert. Under these, you can define the description of this event, possible cause, and suggested activities. You can choose which users to notify, or if the alert is only for the creator. It is possible to specify if the notification shall be enabled or disabled in specific periods. Whenever an event happens, selected users will receive an email by default. You can also configure the notifications as SMS under Settings. After you create it, you'll see all of the alerts created on the main page.